Welcome to livingpianos.com. Robert Estrin presenting a Steinway model A3. Now, what is the A3? It's sometimes known as the Stretch A. Made only for a short time early in the 20th century and only in New York. 2 inches longer than the standard Model A. What a sound. Beautiful balance from top to bottom. This piano has been magnificently restored. Steinway parts in the action, the hammer, shanks, knuckles, wippens. It was restrung not that long ago, new pin block, and refinished about 10 years ago. The piano plays like a dream. The soundboard is immaculate. Listen to the sound. I'm going to start some Mozart. This is the beginning of the G major sonata K283. And what an action. You know how some Steinways feel kind of stiff? Not this piano, it just glides along. But what's really special about this instrument is the expressive potential, because there is such an evenness of the regulation and the voicing because of the Steinway parts and the work that we put into it, getting it on this Concert 11. What better way to demonstrate that than with a beautiful slow nocturne of Chopin. Here's a kind of a condensed version of his F-sharp major nocturne. Every expressive nuance right there for you. It's such a pleasure when a piano responds to everything you could imagine in your head and the sound comes out for you. And such a warm, rich, rewarding sound. I'm interested in how you like it. You can leave in the comments here at livingpianos.com or YouTube. I'm going to now play a little bit more Chopin, the end of his A-flat ballade, just to hear how it opens up with some bravura. An all-around great Steinway, a rare model. It'll fit in your home and give you such a rewarding sound that the Model B and the Model D at 7 and 9 feet might be a bit much for you, and a lot of people actually prefer the evenness of the A3, the Stretch A for you. Once again, I'm Robert Estrin, livingpianos.com, your online piano store, free national delivery. We'll see you next time.